They wanted it more than us. They did a lot of good things defensively as well. They played well as a team, and again, we just need to get back and then try to learn and then try to get back game 2.
To follow up, Coach, Kevin Kiamba was went to 1 point in the second half. What does this mean? What does this mean about Philippines defensively in Cadencia?
Just like what I said, I mean, they did a great job defensively in stopping KQ, and we weren't able to make adjustments down the line. At this point, it's just a matter of us really learning from this experience. I mean, the only thing that I told the team is there's a reason that this is a series. You know, you don't win a championship by just winning 1 game. You need to win 2 games. So we still have a chance. We've been in this situation before. We just have to keep on, being positive. The players at the dugout just reminded each other to just be positive and try to learn from this experience. And again, that's a tough team that we play. I mean, they're one of the best. So we just have to play. We just have to slug it out with them on Wednesday.